Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can remove the Messenger button from your Facebook page. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Make sure to put your likes under the video. Also write comments after watching and let us get started with you. So friends, I will show you completely the whole process of how you can do this. For this, friends, you will have to open Facebook. Next, go to the menu section. And here, folks, if you're on your main page, on your account, you'll need to switch to your Facebook page first in the menu. To do that, you can click right here and select the page here from the list of all your accounts. Next, when you get to the page, you'll need to open it. You can click right here at the top to go to it, or you can go to the menu section and click on the name of your page here as well. Then when you get to the Facebook page itself, you need to click on three buttons, three dots here. Then when you get to the page settings, select the Edit Action option here. And as you can see, you'll already have an active Messenger here. In order to delete it, just in front of the word message, click Delete. And wait for this action to complete. This is a quick and easy way to remove the Messenger button from your Facebook page. I really hope you found this video useful and helpful. Please, friends, subscribe to this channel, put your likes, write your comments, and see you soon.